All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me a 4-layer power tool organizer. And you can kind of see here from the picture, it's 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, because down here is where you're able to hang your drills and stuff like that. And then it just mounts to your wall, or that you're able to have it wall mounted in your garage and have everything neatly put away. So let's unbox it and see what comes inside of here. All right, neatly packaged it looks like. So nothing else in the box, and we have a nice instruction manual here showing you exactly how to put everything together and how to assemble this product, telling you what everything is, what all the screws are, and all of that. So you should be able to follow this and get it mounted on your wall exactly like that. Now, just to look at a few things, here are the grates. These are nice metal. They do not bend, so you can definitely get some weight on these. There's 3 of these grates, or mesh plates as they call them. And then this is the drill slot holder. So this is the part where the drills slide in and you're able to hang them neatly or that they're out of your way. Oh wow, it even comes with a little wrench. These are all the screws, wall mounts, everything that you would need to put this together. And then lastly, these are the actual frames that will physically mount to the wall. So these screws over here are the ones that mount it to the wall, 1 on each side, and then these mount in between them, of course. So once you measure it all out, you should just be able to put it together pretty smoothly and have it on your wall in no time. So that'll do it for this 4-layer power tool organizer unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. And again, thanks to this company for sending it to me. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.